Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back. I'm Berana Sumatri Soekarno. So I will give you a tutorial for using InShot. This is the first page for InShot. You can choose a video or photo or coolest that you want to choose. I will choose the video and I will choose the new. And actually, I always use this for editing my video. I choose a blank page, whatever you want to add, and then I will give the text first, and as you can see, you can add everything. Okay, I will choose the text. I will go on to the welcome because this is for the opening. We can adjust by long or short for fit the videos that we wanna add. So, and also we can put the music or something else for record. I will choose the music, pause, left, right. Then I will use this. So I will cut and split the audio or the music. Okay, we can also use the transition or another stuff for adding for complete by perfect our videos. So we can also add the sticker or gift. I will use the gift by search loading, and yeah, I will add this is a lot of things, but I think this is can't uncover, so I will throw it and add one page again by the blank page. So I will add the sticker or the GIF by the loading as before. And actually this is the easiest application for using by the newbie, and I think this is really easier to use because I always use this for editing my video by the record or something else that is more creative. Okay, so I will put the transition. If you want, you can do this. So but I think it's not really fit. So yeah, I will go on to the first. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is all, and I think this is the easiest application that we can use for editing, and we can also export the videos that we made. Yeah, thank you for watching. That's all.